DMTech, manufacturer of fire alarm system. Our factory is situated in Pleven, Bulgaria. Everything, all our facilities are in Europe. We produce conventional and addressable fire alarm system. I will introduce you first with our conventional fire alarm system. We produce two kinds of conventional system, with LCD display and without LCD display. Without LCD display, we produce 1, 2, 4 and 8 zone. You can see here our 8 zone conventional panel without LCD display. The panel can be produced in plastic box and in metal box, depending on the customer request. The other panel is our LCD display panel. We produce with 4 and 8 zone. These panels can be connected to the repeater. With this repeater, you can connect up to 16 zone to RS485. The other things we produce, except the fire alarm panels, we produce all kinds of fire alarm detectors. Smoke detectors, heat detectors, manual call point detectors, remote indicators, and sounder with flash. Our manual call points, it is very important to say that is resettable. You push here to make a fire, and it is resettable. Other very important things what I must say, this is our new contact system. The contacts is under these plastic covers. Nobody can go to the contacts and broke them. Also, one important thing is that our contact system is gold-plated contact system. We produce the fire detectors. We produce in two shapes, this shape and this one. This is our new look of the detectors. You can choose which one you want to sell on your market, depend of your requests. The other fire alarm panel which we produce, this is our big fire alarm panel. It is 16, 24 and 32 zone panel. It is module expandable. If, for example, you bought already 16 zone panel, you want to expand to 24 or 32 zone, you don't need to buy new panel. You buy also module or only module, and you can expand it. The new products we have inside the conventional system, this is our linear beam detector. What is interesting for him? The receiver and the sender is inside this detector, inside this body. The detector catches signals up to 120 meters. Up to 50 meters, you can use one mirror. Up to 120 meters, it's a total 4 mirrors. The other part of our conventional system is our extinguishing panel. We already produce in red metal box. We have the extinguishing panel has 3 lines, 1 line for fire and 2 extinguishing line. Also, there is a separate line for fire. Of course, you can see here we produce different kind of power, manual call points, manual release, emergency stop, and extension release. Of course, about the red manual call point, I was mentioning before. This is our conventional fire alarm system. Thank you.